Hello everyone, I am Guru Prasad Upadhyay, HOD, Department of Mathematics, Canara Engineering College, Bantwal. So this is second lecture in Module 3 of 18 Math 21 Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So in that, the partial differential equation, the formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions. Now I am going to discuss this type of problems, that is arbitrary functions. So first I am going to make it as two groups. So type 1 is formation of PD by eliminating arbitrary functions, in that if the equation is of the type z equal to f of ax plus by plus g of cx plus dy. Here a, b, c, d are constants and f and g are arbitrary functions. So here when you differentiate z partially with respect to x and y and second order partial derivatives, so you'll get p equal to partial derivative with respect to x means p equal to ax plus by derivative is a into f dash of ax plus by plus c into g dash of cx plus dy. And similarly, when you differentiate z partially with respect to y, q equal to b into f dash of ax plus by plus d into g dash of cx plus dy. Since there are two arbitrary functions, then second order partial derivatives are required, and hence differentiate p and q with respect to x and y. When you differentiate p with respect to x, you get r equal to, again ax plus by derivative is a into a is a square into f double dash plus c into c square into g double dash. And when you differentiate p partially with respect to y, you will get s. So s equal to a into b, because when you differentiate partially with respect to y, ax plus by means b into f dash derivative with respect to ax plus by, and hence it is ab f double dash of ax plus by plus c into d cd g double dash cx plus dy, and differentiate q partially with respect to y. One more becomes b square f double dash plus d square g double dash, that is t becomes b square f double dash of ax plus by and d square g double dash of cx plus dy, or in short form use this a square f double dash plus c square g double dash is r, and s is ab f double dash plus cd g double dash, and t is b square f double dash plus d square g double dash. Here the variable of f double dash g double dash are ax plus by. So using chain rule we got this result. So we can write rst directly, because r is partial derivative of z with respect to x twice. Therefore when you differentiate two times, a comes two times, therefore a square f double dash plus c square g double dash, and s is second order partial derivative, mixed partial derivative, a into b into f double dash, c into d into g double dash, and t is, when you differentiate partially with respect to y twice, b into b square f double dash plus d square g double dash. And using these three r, s and t, substitute one in another equation and eliminate f double dash and g double dash. That is how we can form the PDE for the problems of the type z equal to f of ax plus by plus g of cx plus dy. Here no need to by heart the values of a, b, ax plus by, cx plus dy, that is not required. No need to by heart. So immediately you can find r, s and t, then eliminate f double dash and g double dash to obtain the PDE. Examples: form the PDE by eliminating arbitrary functions of the equation z equal to f of y plus 2x plus g of y minus 3x. Since RST, R is nothing but ZXX, S is nothing but ZXY, T is nothing but ZYY, Z suffix YY. And hence, when you differentiate partially with respect to x twice, here coefficient of x is 2, 2 into 2, 4 f double dash, here minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9g double dash. Therefore, R becomes 4f double dash plus 9g double dash. When you differentiate partially with respect to x and y, here coefficient of x is 2, coefficient of y is 1, 2 into 1, that is 2 f double dash, minus 3 into 1, so minus 3 g double dash. And differentiate partially with respect to y twice, here coefficient of y is 1, 1 into f double dash plus 1 into g double dash. Therefore, f double dash plus g double dash is t. Because R is zxx, S is zxy, T is zyy. With the help of this concept, you are able to find R, S, T directly. Very simple logic. To find R, that means partial derivative of z with respect to x twice, and hence take the coefficient of x 2 times, that is 2 into 2, 4 f double dash, second derivative, and minus 3 into minus 3, that is 9 g double dash. S is zxy, that means when you differentiate with respect to x, here 2, when you differentiate with respect to y, it is 1, 2 into 1 f double dash, 1 into minus 3 or minus 3 into 1 g double dash. And with respect to y, zyy means 1 into 1 f double dash, 1 into 1 g double dash. Now, how to eliminate f double dash and g double dash using these R, S, T? By observation, see this, when I add R and S, here 4 plus 2, 6 f double dash, 9 g double dash minus 3 g double dash is also 6 g double dash. If I take 6 outside, f double dash and g double dash, f double dash plus g double dash is t. Therefore, R plus S is 6 times of f double dash plus g double dash, is this 4 plus 2, 6 f double dash, 9 g double dash minus 3 g double dash is 6 g double dash. And substitute f double dash plus g double dash value, that is t. And required PD is R plus S equal to 6t. That means dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou x dou y equal to 6 times of dou square z by dou t square. Dou square z by dou y square. So that is the required PDE. One more example. Z is f of 2x plus 3y plus g of x plus 2y. Here f and g are arbitrary functions. When you differentiate partially with respect to x twice, 2 into 2, 4 f double dash, 1 into 1, 1 g double dash, that is R. R becomes 4 f double dash plus 1 g double dash. And when you differentiate partially with respect to x and then y, that means 2 into 3, 6 f double dash plus 1 into 2, 2 g double dash. So S becomes 6 f double dash plus 2 g double dash. And similarly, when you differentiate partially with respect to y twice, 3 into 3, 9 f double dash, here plus 4 g double dash, that is t. T becomes 9 f double dash plus 4 g double dash. Now, how to eliminate f double dash and g double dash? See this, in the first equation, that means R equal to 4 f double dash plus g double dash, here 6 f double dash plus 2 g double dash, multiply the first one by 2. So 2R equal to 8 f double dash plus 2 g double dash, then subtract s, then g eliminated, and hence 2R minus s, 2R minus s becomes 8 f double dash minus 6 f double dash is 2 f double dash, 2 g double dash minus 2 g double dash is 0, and hence 2R minus s becomes 2 f double dash. Similarly, when you multiply the second one by 2 and subtract the third one, 2s minus t, 2s minus t, 12 f double dash minus 9 f double dash is 3 f double dash. And here 4g double dash minus 4g double dash cancels. Now G is eliminated. Now to eliminate F double dash, what to do? Here 2F double dash, this is 3F double dash, multiply the first one by 3 and second one by 2. Then both become 6F double dash. Then equate the left hand side. 3 times of 2R minus S equal to 2 times of 2S minus T. 3 times of 2R minus S is equal to 2 times of 2S minus T, that is equal to 6F double dash. Therefore, equate these two, F also eliminated. 3 to the 6R minus 3S equal to 4S minus 2T. 6R plus 2T equal to 4S plus 3S, that is 7S. 6R plus 2T is 7S. 6 into dou square z by dou x square plus 2 into dou square z by dou y square equal to 7 into dou square z by dou x dou y. So this is the required PDE of this equation. Next one, form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary functions, that is z equal to f of x plus it plus g of x minus it. Here z is function of x and t. I is square root of minus 1. Therefore, don't use the standard symbols. The standard symbols are p, q, r, s, t are used only for function of x and y. Now, differentiate z partially with respect to x twice. Then zxx becomes 1 into f double dash plus 1 into g double dash. Zxx dou square z by dou x square becomes 1f double dash plus 1g double dash. And similarly, differentiate z partially with respect to t twice, that is ztt. Ztt is I into I square f double dash plus minus I into minus I, that is also I square g double dash. Now I square is minus 1 and hence it is minus f double dash plus g double dash. But f double dash plus g double dash is nothing but zxx. Therefore, ztt equal to minus zxx or zxx plus ztt equal to 0. That means dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou t square equal to 0. So this is the required PDE. Next example. Form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary function z equal to f of 2x plus y plus g of x minus 2y. Here r becomes 4f double dash plus g double dash. The coefficient of x is here 2, 2 into 2 4 into f double dash of 2x plus y 1 into g double dash of x minus 2y. Or in short form, r equal to 4f double dash plus g double dash, and s is 2 into 1, that is 2f double dash, 1 into minus 2, so minus 2 g double dash, and t is, here it is coefficient of y is 1, so t means dou square z by dou y square, therefore t equal to 1f double dash plus 4g double dash. Now, how to eliminate f double dash and g double dash? Here, if you take 2 times of r and add s, when you take 2 times of r, 2r becomes 8f double dash plus 2g double dash. Plus s means 2f double dash minus 2g double dash means 2g double dash cancels. 2 times of r means 8f double dash plus s means totally 10f double dash. So 2r plus s becomes 10f double dash. And similarly, multiply the second equation by 2 and add the third one. 2s plus t. 2s plus t. That means 4f double dash plus f double dash is 5f double dash. And minus 4g double dash plus 4g double dash becomes 0, and hence 2s plus t is 5f double dash. Now compare these two. 2r plus s becomes 2 times of 2s plus t, because this is 10f double dash, Phi f double dash means multiply this by 2, then equate the left hand side. So 2r plus s equal to 2 times of 2s plus t, or here 2 into 2 4s minus s, take this s right side, 4s minus s is 3s plus 2t, 2r equal to 3s plus 2t. So this is the required PDE. So it's very simple technique to find the partial differential equations of the type z equal to f of ax plus b plus g of cx plus d. Now one more type. So type 2, if u equal to function of v or function of u comma v equal to 0, where u and v are functions of x, y and z. U and v are functions of x, y and z. X, y, z are variables of this u. Then partial differential equation is partial derivative of u with respect to x into partial derivative of v with respect to y equal to partial derivative of v with respect to x into partial derivative of u with respect to y. So we can prove this, very simple logic here. Okay, the insight, that means if u is function of v, if u is function of v, when you differentiate partially with respect to x, ux equal to vx into f dash v. F of v derivative with respect to x means f dash v into derivative of v with respect to x, chain rule. Similarly, uy is vy into f dash v, and hence ux by uy equal to vx by vy, because f dash v cancels. Ux by uy equal to vx by vy, and just rearrange ux into vy equal to vx into uy. So this is the required PDE. If the equation is this type, u equal to f of v, just write what is u, what is v, and then differentiate u and v partially with respect to x and y, and the required PDE is ux vy equal to vx uy. Since it has only one arbitrary function, so first order differential equations, the required differential equation is of order 1. And similarly, if the equation is given like this, f of u comma v equal to 0, then when you differentiate partially with respect to x, differentiate f partially with respect to u and differentiate u partially with respect to x, plus differentiate f partially with respect to v and then differentiate v partially with respect to x, that is equal to 0. Similarly, when you differentiate partially with respect to y, fu uy plus fv vy equal to 0. That means fu ux equal to minus fv vx, fu uy equal to minus fv vy, and hence fu ux divided by fu uy is fv vx divided by fv vy. Just cancel minus sign, and then cancel fu and fv, f suffix. So we got vx by uy equal to vx by vy, or ux vy equal to vx uy. So simple method, just write what is u, what is v, differentiate partially with respect to x and y, and the required PDE is ux vy equal to vx uy, and then write the PDE in linear form. Linear form means a function of xyz, that is capital P, into dou z by dou x, that is small p, equal to plus function of xyz, that is q, capital Q, into small q, that is dou z by dou y, equal to a function of xyz, another function of xyz, let it be r. So capital P into small p plus capital Q into small q equal to capital R, that is required PDE. Okay, that is linear form, just rearranging this PDE, ux vy equal to vx uy. Okay, example, form the PDE by eliminating arbitrary function of the equation z equal to y square plus 2 times of f of 1 by x plus log y. Now you can reduce this into the second form, that is u equal to f of v, because here only one arbitrary function is there, that is f of 1 by x plus log y, and take this y square left side, z minus y square, and divided by 2. Z minus y square by 2 is f of 1 by x plus log y. U equal to f of v, and hence u is z minus y square by 2 and v is 1 by x plus log y. Now the required PD is u partial derivative with respect to x into v partial derivative with respect to y, that is equal to partial derivative of u with respect to y into partial derivative of v with respect to x. Now when you differentiate partially with respect to x, ux becomes p by 2, because dou z by dou x is p, and derivative of y square with respect to x is 0, because treat y constant. So ux is p by 2. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, and hence vx is minus 1 by x square. Log y derivative is 0. And when you differentiate partially with respect to y, uy becomes dou z by dou y, that is q minus 2y divided by 2, and by is 0 plus log y derivative, that is 1 by y, and hence the PD is ux vy equal to vx uy, means p by 2y, p into 1 divided by 2 into y, equal to minus q minus 2y by 2x square. Now cancel 2 and rearrange. Px square equal to minus qy plus 2y square. First cancel 2 here. Y into minus 2y is minus 2y square, with this minus plus 2y square. So px square is minus qy plus 2y square, or you can write px square plus qy equal to 2y square. So it is linear format of the PDE. So this is the required PD of this function equation. Okay, next one, form the PD by eliminating arbitrary functions of the equation z equal to f of xy by z, u equal to f of v. Here u is z, v is xy by z. U is z, u equal to f of v, v is xy by z. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou z by dou x is p, and hence ux is p, and vx is, use the quotient rule, first in the denominator write the denominator of this z square, and z into partial derivative of xy with respect to x is 1 into y, so zy, minus xy into dou z by dou x is p minus xy p. Similarly, when you differentiate partially with respect to y, dou z by dou y q, therefore uy is q, and vy is, here denominator square, that is z square, z into xy derivative with respect to y is x into 1, so x into z, x into 1 into z, denominator into derivative of numerator, therefore xz, minus xy into derivative of z with respect to y is q, so minus xy q, and hence PD is p into xz minus xy pq, ux vy, p into xz minus xyq divided by z square equal to q into yz minus xyp divided by z square, and cancel common term z square, the remaining term is p into xz, so xzp minus xypq equal to q into yzq minus xypq. Now here xypq common, cancel here, and in these two z is common, again cancel z, xp equal to yq, and hence required PD is px equal to qy, or you can write px minus qy is 0. One more example, Form the PD by eliminating arbitrary functions of the equation f of xy plus z square comma x plus y plus z equal to 0. So it is of the form f of u comma v equal to 0. So what is u? Xy plus z square, and v is x plus y plus z. When you differentiate partially with respect to x, derivative of x is 1 into y plus 2z into dou z by dou x, that is p, and here Vx is derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is 0, derivative of z is p. Now when you differentiate partially with respect to x, here x and y are independent variable, z is dependent variable, and dou z by dou x is p, and treat y constant. So its derivative is 0, derivative of x is 1, therefore 1 plus p. And similarly, when you differentiate partially with respect to y, derivative of y is 1 into x plus 2z into dou z by dou y, that is q, and hence uy is x plus 2zq. Here vy is 0 plus 1 plus dou z by dou y, that is q. Now required PD is ux vy equal to vx uy, and hence y plus 2zp into 1 plus q equal to x plus 2zq into 1 plus p. First q multiplied by 1 and then q. So y into 1 y, and then 2zp into 1 is 2zp plus qy plus 2zpq, right hand side x plus 2zq into 1 plus x 2z, and then x into p, that is px plus 2zpq or qp, that is pq. Cancel 2zpq both side and collect all p first. Here p is 2z and here px. Take right side, left side, p into 2z minus x, 2z minus x into p, and here qy minus 2zq, take q outside, q into y minus 2z equal to the remaining term other than p and q. Here x minus this y is taken right side, x minus y. So it is one standard form, linear form, how to write the solution in linear form. First collect all p and all q and write it in left side, and the remaining term that you write it in right side. So capital P into P plus capital Q into Q equal to capital R. So that is linear equation format. Okay. Next example. Form the PD by eliminating arbitrary functions of the equation f of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square equal to 0. So very simple. Clearly it is u is x plus y plus z and v is x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiate partially with respect to x, 1 plus p, u derivative with respect to x is 1 plus p, and similarly partial derivative of u with respect to y is 1 plus q, and here v with respect to x is 2x plus 0 plus 2z into derivative of z, that is p, and vy is 0 plus 2y plus 2z into dou z by dou y, that is q. And hence required PD is ux vy equal to vx uy. Here 1 plus p into, take 2 outside, y plus zq, 1 plus p into 2 times of y plus zq equal to 1 plus q into 2 into x plus zp, x plus zp. Now cancel 2 here, and then next part, 1 into y plus 1 into zq plus p into y plus z into pq. Similarly 1 into x plus 1 into zp plus q into x plus z into pq. Now zpq is common term, cancel, and then here py minus pz, take this left side, py minus pz or y minus zp, and z into q minus x into q. Therefore, it is z minus x into q equal to x minus y. By cancelling z p q both side and collect all p and q. So, y minus z p plus z minus x q equal to x minus y. That is the required solution or PDE. One more example. Form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary function of the equation f of x square plus y square comma z minus xy equal to 0. So, it is very simple. U is x square plus y square and v is z minus xy. F of u comma v equal to 0. So, u and v. Differentiate partially with respect to x and y. So, u with respect to x is 2x and u with respect to y is 2y. And v with respect to x is p minus y. Derivative of x is 1. So, p minus y. And v with respect to y is q minus x. Now, PD is 2x into q minus y equal to 2y into p minus y. Cancel 2. Qx minus x square equal to py minus y square. Or here yp minus xq equal to y square minus x square. See here yp. Here xq, take right side, yp minus qx or xq. Here minus x square minus y square, bring left side, it is plus y square. So, y square minus x square. So, this is the required PDE. So, these two types, standard one and some miscellaneous problems. Okay. So, these are some complicated one, but you can solve this very easily. Form the PDE of the equation z equal to y into f of x plus x into g of y. Here two arbitrary functions are there, therefore second order PDE is required. When you differentiate partially with respect to x, p equal to y constant, f of x derivative is f dash x plus g of y constant, derivative of x is 1. First differentiate partially with respect to x. Dou z by dou x is p, y is constant, y into f dash x plus g of y into derivative of x, that is 1. And similarly, when you differentiate partially with respect to y, q equal to derivative of y is 1, 1 into f of x plus x into g dash of y, x into g dash of y. Now, instead of finding the remaining second order partial derivative, first try with second one, that means p, q, r, s, t. Now, find s directly. S is nothing but dou square z by dou x dou y. That means either you differentiate p with respect to y or q with respect to x, both are same. That is s. Differentiate p partially with respect to y, that is s. S equal to, when you differentiate partially with respect to y, f dash x is constant, derivative of y is 1. So, it is f dash x plus g of y derivative with respect to y is g dash of y. Now, using these three, how we can eliminate f, f dash, g dash and g. Now, here in p, one of the term is g of y, in q the term is f of x. In z, f of x is multiplied by y and g of y is multiplied by x. Therefore, multiply p by x and q by y and then add. So, px plus qy becomes, when you multiply p by x, then it is xy f dash of x plus x g of y. And then qy means y into f of x plus xy g dash of y. Now, add these two. X into g of y plus y into f of x is nothing but z. And from these two, the common term is xy. Take outside. F dash plus g dash is nothing but s. And hence, that is xy into s. See this, xy is taken outside. F dash x plus g dash y is nothing but s. Xy s plus y f of x plus x g of y is z. and hence required PD is Px plus Qy equal to Xy S plus Z. Please practice this properly. First differentiate partially with respect to x and y, and then differentiate p partially with respect to y, and multiply p by x and q is multiplied by y, and then substitute the x and z in right hand side. Next one, form the PD by eliminating arbitrary functions of z equal to x into f of x plus t plus g of x plus t. Here z is function of x and t, not x and y. Therefore, don't use the standard form, not p, q, r, s, t. Here, differentiate z partially with respect to x and with respect to t. When you differentiate partially with respect to x, short form zx equal, don't write p, just write zx equal to, use product rule, x into f dash of derivative, f of x plus t derivative with respect to x is f dash of x plus t into derivative of x plus t is 1, plus f of x plus t into derivative of x, that is 1, plus g of x plus t derivative with respect to x is g dash of x plus t into derivative of x plus t, that is 1, and hence x into f dash of x plus t plus f of x plus t plus g dash of x plus t. When they differentiate partially with respect to t, zt becomes x into f dash of x plus t into x plus t derivative with respect to t is 1, plus g of x plus t derivative with respect to t is dash of x plus t into derivative of x plus t with respect to t, partial derivative is 1, and hence it is x f dash of x plus t plus g dash of x plus t. Now substitute this, x f dash of x plus t plus g dash of x plus t is zt, and hence zx is zt plus f of x plus t. Now differentiate this second equation partially with respect to x and t. When we differentiate partially with respect to x, we will get zxx equal to, so when you differentiate partially with respect to x, zt derivative with respect to x, that is zxt or ztx, both are same, mixed partial derivative, okay, zxt plus f of derivative with respect to x is f dash, so f dash of x plus t into 1, so f dash of x plus t. Similarly, when you differentiate partially with respect to t, zxt, ztx or zxt equal to ztt plus f dash of x plus t with respect to t, that is f dash of x plus t. Now just subtract these two. Zxx minus zxt equal to zxt minus ztt, f dash cancels, and rearrange zxx plus ztt equal to zxt plus zxt, that is 2 times of zxt. So that is the required PE. That means dou square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou t square equal to 2 times of dou square z by dou x dou t. So that is the required partial differential equation. One more example. Form the PD by eliminating arbitrary functions of z equal to f of x plus e power y into g of x. Now differentiate partially with respect to x. So P becomes f of x derivative f dash x, e power y is constant, g of x derivative is g dash x, and q is, that means when you differentiate partially with respect to y, f of x is constant, therefore it is 0 plus e power derivative is e power y into g of x. Now by observation, if I differentiate q once again with respect to y, we will get e power y into g of x is constant, therefore t becomes e power y g of x. Now differentiate q partially with respect to y, so you get t is also e power y g of x. Now equate these two, q equal to t, that is the required PD. That means dou z by dou y equal to dou square z by dou y square. So that is the required PD of this equation. Okay. Next one, form the PD by eliminating arbitrary functions of z equal to f of x into g of y. So direct one, differentiate partially with respect to x, p equal to f of x derivative f dash x, g of y is constant, and q is g of y derivative is g dash of y, f of x is constant. Now differentiate p partially with respect to y, so you'll get s. S equal to f dash x is constant, g of y derivative with respect to y is g dash of y. Now just multiply p and q. P into q becomes f dash of x, g of y, f of x, g dash of y. And f of x into g of y is z, and f dash of x into g dash of y is nothing but s. So right hand side becomes z into s, and hence required PD is p into q equal to s into z. Dou z by dou x into dou z by dou y equal to dou square z into dou square z by dou x dou y. So that is the required PD. One more example. Form the PD by eliminating arbitrary functions of z equal to e power my into f of x minus y. Here you can use this first technique, that is u equal to f of v. Here u becomes z by e power my or z into e power minus my, and v is x minus y. That method is also okay. Or directly differentiate partially with respect to x and y. P becomes e power my into f of x minus y derivative with respect to x is f dash of x minus y into 1. So e power my into f dash of x minus y. And when you differentiate partially with respect to y, q equal to e power my into f of x minus y derivative with respect to y is f dash of x minus y into derivative of x minus y, that is minus 1. So minus f dash of x minus y. And then second function into derivative of the first, that is m e power my into f of x minus y. Now e power my into f of x minus y is z. Therefore this part is m into z. And this is nothing but p. So q equal to minus p plus m z. Q equal to minus p plus mz, or p plus q is mz. Here arbitrary function f is eliminated, not m. M is fixed constant. Here f is arbitrary function and f is eliminated. So required PD is p plus q equal to mz. So we discussed some type of equations to find the partial differential equations. We made it two types. One is z equal to f of ax plus by plus g of cx plus dy. To find the PDE, directly you can find RST. R is dou square z by dou x square, s is dou square z by dou x dou y, and t is dou square z by dou y square. And one more type is u equal to f of v, or f of u comma v equal to 0. Then PD is ux vy equal to vx uy. So that direct type, two types, and other types is miscellaneous problems. Some problems I discussed here. Okay, in the next lecture, how we can solve the differential equation. If the differential equation is given, how we can find the general solution. So there are three methods in your syllabus. One is by direct integration method, and another one is just equations involving only one of the variable, and one more is Lagrange's linear equations, the solutions of the linear equations. Okay, thank you for watching.